Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for anyone who loves to move, stay active, and feel their absolute best. Have you ever wondered what the superfuel for your body really is? What if I told you it's delicious, vibrant, and packed with incredible benefits? Look at this gorgeous piece of salmon. See that rich, glowing orange color, sprinkled with fresh herbs and zesty lemon? It's not just a pretty plate. This is a powerhouse of nutrition, and we're going to explore exactly why it should be a staple in your diet, especially if you're active. And notice the background: ocean waves and running shoes. That's no accident. We're connecting the power of the sea directly to your performance on the track, in the gym, or wherever your fitness journey takes you. So, get ready, because we're about to unlock the secrets of the salmon omega feast. Let's start with the star of the show: omega-3 fatty acids. You've probably heard the term thrown around, but what are they really? Omega-3 South are a type of polyunsaturated fat, which are essential fats. The word essential is key here. It means our bodies can't produce them on their own. We have to get them from our food. There are three main types: ALA, EPA, and DHA. While ALA is found in plant sources like flax seeds and walnuts, salmon is an absolute champion when it comes to EPA and DHA. The two types most readily used by our bodies and linked to the most significant health benefits. Think of EPA and DHA as your body's internal support crew. They play a fundamental role in the structure of every cell wall you have. They're also critical for brain health, heart function, and, importantly for us, managing inflammation. When you push your body during a workout, you create tiny micro tears in your muscles. This is a normal part of getting stronger, but it also triggers an inflammatory response. A little inflammation is good. It signals the body to repair and rebuild. But chronic or excessive inflammation can lead to prolonged soreness, slower recovery, and even injury. This is where salmon swoops in to save the day. EPA and DHA in salmon have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. They help your body regulate its inflammatory response, meaning you can bounce back faster from tough workouts. Imagine less muscle soreness, quicker recovery times, and being ready to hit your next session feeling strong and refreshed. It's not about eliminating the body's natural processes, but about giving it the tools to work more efficiently. Fuel your workouts with omega-3 South. It's not just a catchy phrase. It's a science-backed strategy for better performance and recovery. But the benefits don't stop at muscle recovery. Let's talk about your heart, the engine that powers every single step, lift, and stride you take. A strong cardiovascular system is non-negotiable for any athlete. The omega-3 South and salmon are cardioprotective superstars. They've been shown to help maintain healthy blood pressure, support healthy cholesterol levels, and keep your arteries flexible and clear. A healthy heart means better blood flow and oxygen delivery to your working muscles. This translates directly to improved endurance. You can go harder for longer, all because you're fueling your engine with the right stuff. Now, let's move from the heart to the head. Your brain is your body's command center. Focus, motivation, and mind-muscle connection are all governed by your brain. One of those key omega-3s in salmon is a major structural component of the brain and retina. It's literally brain food. A diet rich in DHA is linked to better cognitive function, improved memory, and a sharper focus. When you're in the zone during a workout, making split-second decisions in a game, or just trying to stay motivated on a long run, having optimal brain function is your secret weapon. Eating salmon is like upgrading your body's operating system. And we can't forget about our joints. All that running, jumping, and lifting can take a toll on our knees, hips, and shoulders. The anti-inflammatory benefits of omega-3 South extend to joint health as well. By helping to reduce inflammation throughout the body, they can help soothe joint stiffness and support overall joint comfort and mobility. Think of it as lubricating your body's hinges from the inside out, ensuring you can keep moving freely and without discomfort for years to come. It's an investment in your long-term athletic longevity. So how much salmon should you be eating? Most health organizations recommend at least 2 servings of fatty fish, like salmon, per week. A serving is about 3 to 4 ounces, or roughly the size of a deck of cards. When choosing your salmon, look for wild-caught varieties whenever possible, as they often have a slightly better fatty acid profile. But don't stress if you can only find sustainably farmed salmon. Still an excellent source of omega-3 South and high-quality protein. And speaking of protein, let's not overlook that. Salmon is packed with high-quality, easily digestible protein. protein is the building block of muscle. After you create those micro tears during exercise, protein provides the raw materials your body needs to repair them and build them back stronger. So, when you eat salmon, you're getting a powerful 1-2 punch, the omega-3 south to manage inflammation and speed up recovery, and the protein to actually rebuild and grow the muscle tissue. It's the perfect post-workout recovery meal. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. I'm not a huge fan of fish, or cooking salmon seems intimidating. I get it. But it's one of the easiest, quickest, and most versatile proteins to cook. You can bake it, pan-sear it, grill it, or even air fry it. A little olive oil, salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon is all you need for a delicious meal in under 15 minutes. You can flake it over a salad, mix it into pasta, or serve it alongside roasted vegetables and quinoa for a perfectly balanced plate. The key is not to overcook it. Cook it until it's just opaque and flakes easily with a fork. That's how you keep it moist and delicious. Let's quickly recap the incredible benefits of this salmon omega feast. We have faster muscle recovery thanks to its anti-inflammatory power. We have enhanced endurance from a stronger, healthier heart. We have sharper focus and better brain function. We have supported more comfortable joints. And we have the high-quality protein needed for muscle repair and growth. It's a true superfood that supports your active lifestyle from every single angle. Making small, consistent changes to your nutrition can have a massive impact on your results and how you feel every day. Incorporating salmon into your weekly routine is one of the simplest and most effective upgrades you can make. It's not about a restrictive diet. It's about adding nutrient-dense, powerful foods that work as hard as you do. Food is fuel, and salmon is premium-grade fuel for the human body. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore the amazing world of salmon and omega-3s. I hope this inspires you to add this incredible fish to your plate and experience the benefits for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our future content on nutrition, fitness, and wellness. Drop a comment below and let me know your favorite way to cook salmon. I'd love to hear your recipes. Until next time, stay active, eat well, and keep fueling your greatness.